What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So I finally got that oil catch can. So that catch can finally came in the mail, and today we are going to install it, and I think I want to install it right here. I had to go get some hoses that fit. This was a pain. And man, making the fitting for it, this is like a 3-piece fitting right here. Like this is one piece, this is one piece, and this plastic piece is one piece. So I had like make a 3-piece fitting just so I was able to fit this threading inside of there. That is a 3-piece that I had to make. And then the hoses to, well, anyways, besides all that, let's get this hooked up now. Alright guys, so I got the catch can hooked up and I set it right over here along that bracket right there, so it can just be along that one. And then I hooked it up to the PCV here, and then the other one is going into the intake there, and hopefully that can get rid of that code and help me get rid of, I guess, some of the pressure that's inside of the motor. And let me crank it up and see how we look from there. So here's my problem. Like, well, it flashes when it wants to flash. Yeah, there it is. It's flashing oil light. And this box says check the oil pressure gauge thingamajiggy. So yeah, it flashes now. Alright, so I went up to AutoZone and picked up some oil because I need to do an oil change on this sucker. So yeah, let's get jumped into that. Yo, that sun is hot. Quick comparison right quick. Really good. Really bad. I don't know, man. I think that catch can looks pretty neat. I like it. I like it. It's a pretty dope catch can. Now that we got the oil in there, let's crank her up and see if that light on the dash went away. Well guys, I guess I'm stuck. I can't figure out that oil light. Cannot figure out that oil light. I guess next would be to pull the oil pan and I guess see if the pump that's in the oil pan is bad or clogged. That could be a reason too, or it could be just a simple sensor. I don't know. But either way, catch can is in and she's full of oil again and she's running perfectly fine again, and I don't know from there. I guess I gotta pull the oil pan and check the oil pan and see if that pump in there is clogged up or whatever. But other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.